Hello, students. Let's do the Dank Piggy Bank. Here we go. You have 595 cents from nickels and dimes. Make a standard form equation. Okay, we can do that. I don't know why the blanks are so large. I'll go ahead and write it here. So if X are nickels and Y is dimes, I would say the equation would be 5X plus 10Y equals 595 cents. Let's leave them as cents. You don't need to change them to dollars. So there we go. There's your standard form equation. Here we go. Basically, you just stick the value of nickels to X, you stick the value of dimes to Y, and then you set it equal to the total. All right. The maximum nickels. Okay, so if you were to max nickels, basically it's like finding the x-intercept. If you had no dimes, so max nickels basically means no dimes. Okay, if you had no dimes, then if you had no dimes, what's going on here? You would go, boom. Oh, okay, cool. So I have 595 cents divided by 5. And then, Mr. Calculator, where are you? Oh, good. There you are. It was nearby this time. Lucky me. Here we go. 595 divided by 5 is, 119. Eesh. That's a lot of nickels. 119. That's if it was all nickels, students. If it was all nickels, you'd have 119 of them. What if it was all dimes? Well, first of all, it's not possible because it ends in a 5. So you have to think about logically the most amount of nickels that you could have, the most amount of dimes you could have, you might have to take the nickel out of there. So again, if you had no nickels, I think I made these end in 5 cents on purpose just to make you think a little bit. So you kind of do the same method. You would hide the X, okay? So if you had 10Y equals 595 divided by 10 divided by 10, I think it's just 59.5. So the solution, the mathematical number you would get is 59.5. You can't have half of a dime because that's a nickel. So the best you could do is have 59 whole dimes. Again, tricky, okay? Understand what that means. So again, mental math, if it ends with a 5, another way to do it here, if it ends in a 5, you can't have that nickel, so you'd have to take the nickel out. So another way you could have solved it is, well, I know for sure 590 of the cents is dimes divided by 10. Boom, there's your 59. So either leave the decimal in there and make sense of it, or take that 5 out because it can't be there. If you're all dimes, you can't end in a 5. It's got to end in a 0. So, and obviously you can't just go up to 600. You can't just magically make 5 more cents. You just broke science. All right. If you have 27 dimes, how many nickels? So now we got to go back right here and we got to use this equation. So the dimes is Y. So basically we're saying, hey, if Y is 27, find X. And then this one flips it. Hey, if X is 27, find Y. So I'm just going to write both equations here really quick. All right, here we go. So there's the equation. So we're going to go 5X plus 10 times 27, and that's going to equal 595. Okay. Now, what if the other number was 27? Okay. 5 times 27 plus 10, y equals 595. Okay, here we go. So I'm just giving you numbers to plug into the equation to find the other one. The rule is, if you have 2 variables, you need one of them to at least find the other one. It's hard to solve for 2 variables. It's easy to solve for 1. So if I give you 1, you should be able to find the other one. Okay, so I'm going to kind of do these kind of all in one big swing here. So if I were to solve it algebraically, here's what I would do. So you start with the 595. If I were solving this, I'd subtract 10 times 27, which is 270. And that's how many cents I have left over for the nickels, so then I'd divide by 5. So basically, I'm just doing my 2 steps in the calculator instead of writing them down. Sorry, I'm trying to save a little bit of time here, okay? So you should have 65 nickels, okay? You can double check. Let's see here. Clear it. 65 nickels plus 27 dimes is, got them. All right, cool, good for us. All right, let's do the same thing here. Let's start with our 595 minus 5 times 27. Okay, that's how many cents we have left over, divided by 10. Mental math, I should have just said 46. 46 dimes. Let's check. See if that's accurate. 27 nickels plus, what was it, 46 dimes. Hey, there we go. Worked out. 595. All right, cool. So that is the Dank piggy bank. Make yourself a nickel and dime equation. Solve for the max values and solve for the given values. All right, cool. That's it.